Bonjour, Abu. Hello, everyone. Fifth grade students, today we will start one of the topic. The name of the topic is the verb avoir. It is given on your page number 53 in your chapter number 5th. So, what is the meaning of avoir? Avoir means has or have. Now, you know very well, we have to convert this word with each different subject. With je means I, we use ai. Je. Now, je means I and ai means have. Now, whenever you find two vowel here, then you have to cut this e and put apostrophe and ai. This is the rule in French. So whenever you found two vowel here, first e you have to cut and put apostrophe and you have to merge these two words. Now it become je. This is je and this is a. When they merge, then it become je. Je means I have. Je, I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Again I am repeating. Je, I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils sont, they have. Elles sont, they have. So these are the 8 words that you have to learn. This is the our verb. You have to learn this. For example, with nous, which spelling will come? Avons. Nous avons. It is nous avons means we have. So in English, there is only 2 words has and have. But in French, there are different type of have. For example, ai is also have. As is also have. This avon is also have. This ave is also have. On is also have. Now you have to learn which have with come with which subject. Okay, this table you have to learn. So one point is here, avoir means to have. J'ai deux crayons. I have 2 pencils. J'ai une fleur. I have a flower. Avoir is also used to tell the age. Whenever you want to tell your age, you always use avoir verb. For example, if I will ask you, quel est votre âge? What is your age? Then you will also reply, j'ai. You will always reply, j'ai. 11 ans if you are 11-year-old. 12 ans if you are 12-year-old. 10 ans if you are 10 years old. So counting you know very well. So according to your age, you just add the counting. So attention, in attention box it is given that I have already told you that je and a will merge together and this e will cut, we will cut and put apostrophe and ai. Now it become je. So je become j apostrophe before vowel. We cancel e in je and put apostrophe j and put an apostrophe if a verb start with the vowel or a silent h. So this I have already told you. So now on the next page, one question is asking by this girl. She is saying, combien de livres avez-vous? How many books you have? Now this ma'am is saying, j'ai 3 livres. I have 3 books. So one more question. This is asking, combien de stylos as-tu? How many stylos you have? Now this boy is replying, j'ai 5 stylos. I have 5 pens. So for example, if I will ask combien de Crayon you have, crayon means pencil, then you say j'ai the stylo, the crayon. I have two crayon, like this you can say. Now we can do our exercise number 1 on your page number 58. Les exercices. Choisir les bons réponses. Choose the correct answers. So first is tu dash shia. So with tu we always use as, that is given in the table. So you have a shia. Shia means dog. You have a dog. Now the B part, vous, with vous we put ave. So take this answer, vous avez une règle. We have a scale. C part, ils sont. This on we will use, ils sont des papiers. These are the papers. D part, je et j'ai. J'ai une lampe. I have a lamp. E part, with nous we use avons. So nous avons un grand lit. Lit means bed. We have a big bed. So do this exercise number 1 and learn your avoir verb, that is where you have to put has and have. Learn this avoir table. It is very important. Okay students, au revoir, bye bye.